Hi, I'm Colin Miller with American Honda, and we're here at Ride Royal Blue in the properly named Pioneer, Tennessee. We're introducing our all-new Pioneer 1000 Trail and Forest models.
When the dealer's looking to capitalize by selling this product, what is it that's going to set this product apart?
So we really focused on someone who's more specifically looking for a genre product. We split the Pioneer 1000 into these two models because we really wanted to focus on the individual customers. We know that there's several different types of customers that they're looking for something specific,
Sure. Right?
And so we really took each model in that focus.
Now for 2022, Honda didn't redesign the Pioneer. What they did is they listened to customers and they updated all of those little things that they were asking for. And that's why we got more power, more storage, and more utility. And those are always a good thing.
I'm Rob Brooks with Road Dirt Motorcycle Media. We're the only motorcycle media that's here. And really, to be honest with you, this has been an experience unlike anything I've ever really done before. I'm a street rider, occasional dirt rider, two wheels. I've never actually driven a UTV side by side ever before. So going up the mountain and back down 26 miles of just, crazy rock climbing and single track and all that was just tense for me at times, but probably one of the most enjoyable, crazy, dirty experiences I've had in a long time. It has been a phenomenal day. I hope to do it again soon.